Good morning, KG. How are you today? KG, what is the day today? Today is Tuesday, 14th of April, 2020. Again, what is the day today? Today is Tuesday, 14th of April, 2020. KG, which class are you in? Which school are you in? Which grade are you in? Okay, are you boy or girl? Do you have a brothers? Do you have a sisters? What her name? Okay, today KG we will finish our Discover book. Okay, now open your book, page 73. And write the date of today here, 14th of April. Write the date, 14th of April. KG, look at 12 to our title, Communicating Through Art. Communicating Through Art. Okay, now look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. KG, what you can see? I can see here a happy family. I can see happy family. And I can see happy boy. I can see happy animal. And I can see cute cat. Okay. Now after you see the pictures, what you feel? You feel what? You feel that are you happy or sad? This picture, okay, make you feel happy or sad? Of course, make you feel happy. Okay, now turn your page. Write the date here, KG. Here, we will make a self-portrait. We will make a self-portrait. Okay? Now you will write your self-portrait. Number 1, today date. Today is 14th of April 2020. Now write. Okay. The medium I used it. Do you remember, KG, when we talked about the colors? We said before that each color has 3 marks. Okay? Light, medium, and dark. Do you remember? Okay, the medium I used it. For example, I will use yellow color. I will use yellow color. Okay, I added red. For example, I will add red to my self-portrait. Okay? My picture make me feel. Now, if I draw myself, I feel what, KG? Happy or sad? Of course, I feel happy. Now, my portrait or my picture make me feel happy. Now, write happy. The best part of picture is, for example, face. If you see that the best part of the picture, body. Okay, now write body. Okay, now are you finished? Now turn your page. On page 75, write the date of today here, KG. Okay, now you are invited. Now here we will make invitation to our friends. Okay, I will draw here the invitation and I will write to them. For example, I will make a invitation about my birthday. Okay, now make the decorate of the birthday. We will make a balloons and decorate. You will make a cake. Okay. Okay, what we can write? For example, I can write here, hello my friends. Hello, my friends. I invite you to my birthday. Okay, I invite you to my birthday. Okay, and here I will write my name. For example, I will write here Ali. Okay, now I make an invitation to our friends. Okay, here I draw the invitation and I write here to my friends, hello my friends, how are you? I invite you to my birthday. At the end I write my name. Okay, are you finished? Now turn your page. Write the date here kg. Now I am in page 77. Here kg we will talk about the sculptures. Sculptures. kg, what's the meaning of sculptures? Look here. Well, this is the sculptures. Okay, this is the sculptures. Okay, now look at well the sculptures. kg, what do you think about this? For example, the first picture. What do you think about these pictures? Here, the artists make the sculptures to what kg? To what? The picture talked about what? Can you think? For example, we can say that the pictures took the human around the world. Okay, took a human around the world. Okay, can you look at the second sculpture? Talk about what? Animals around the world. Talk about the animals around the world. Okay, the last pictures talk about what? The monuments around the world. Talk about the monuments around the world. Okay, now we say that the artists make sculptures to what kg? To what? To talk about anything around the world. For example, I can make a body of man or woman. I can talk about the human. Okay, I can talk about the animals. I can talk about a monument. Okay, this is the communicating around the world. This is the communicating around the world. Now turn your page. In this page, we will make a working together. Okay? You're working with a friend. You can now imagine. Okay? What we can make kg. Now we want to make any working. What we can make? Can you think? For example, we can make a drum. We can make a pencil case. We can make a kazoo. For example, here I wanted to make a pencil case. Okay, what I can use? I can use paper, clay, crayons. Okay, I can use what else kg? I can use crayons or pencils. I can use what else? The paper. I can use clay. Okay, what I can put in our pencil case? I can put pen. I can put rubber. I can put ruler. And I can put sharpener. Okay, now in this work we make a pencil case. We make a pencil case. Okay, this is our project today, to make a pencil case. We used what? We used a paper, clay, crayons. We used paper, clay, crayons. Okay? Okay, now our classroom look like what, KG? Look like a gallery. Okay, now turn your page. Write here the date of today. Now we will write what's our favorite artwork is titled. Now we make a pencil case. Now write here pencil case. Okay. I choose this art because we need it. Of course, we need a pencil case. Okay. Now it's turn to you. I used shades of color and shapes in my art. We used it? Yes. Okay, now we can color the stars. We can color the stars. Number 4. I am proud of my work. If you're proud, okay, you can color the stars. Number 5. My work is neat. Yes or no? You can color the stars. Number 6. My work communicates a message. Yes or no, KG? You can color the stars. Okay? Now turn your page. Now we are in the last chapter. Okay, chapter 2. Write the date here. Friendship. Okay, this chapter talked about the friendship, means our friends. Turn the page and listen to the story. Listen to the story. Okay, I will read and you will repeat after me. Sarah has friends. Repeat after me, KG. Sarah has friends. Sarah play games with friends. Sarah play games with friends. Sarah plays music with friends. Sarah plays music with friends. Sarah makes art with friends. Sarah makes art with friends. Sarah has many friends. Sarah has many friends. We are Sarah's friends. We are Sarah's friends. Okay, this story talk about our friend Sarah. Okay, we know that Sarah has a lot of friends and Sarah can play games with her friends. Okay, she plays music with her friends and she has a lot of friends. Okay, now turn your page. Write the date here. Human note. KG, do you know what the meaning of note? Note means any problem I can't solve it. Any problem I can't solve it. For example, for me, for my notes, I can't study English well. I can't study English well. I always need my teacher to help me to study English. Now this is my note. Okay? For example, for you, you can't play piano. You can't play piano. You can't play football. Now this is your note. Okay? Now note means the problem that always I faced it. I want to anyone help me to skip my note. Okay? Now number 1, my friends help me what? What's your note, KG? What's your note? Okay, now you can write your friend help you on what, KG? Number 2, I helped my friend to make what? For example, my friend helped me to cook. Now I write here to cook. Okay? Number 2, I help my friend to what? You can help your friend in what? And you will draw here. What's your note? Okay? Now here you will draw and write what's your note and the note of your friends. Okay? Now this is your HW. Now turn your page. Now KG, turn your page on this page. Now I am in page 85. Okay? Number 1, write the date of today here. In this page KG, we will talk about the sign language. We will talk about the sign language practice. Okay, look at well the first pictures. Look at well to the first picture. Okay, this picture KG means friend. Okay, this picture means friend. If I put my hand as this means friend. Okay, look at the second pictures. This, yes. If I make my hand as this means yes. Okay, this sign means thank you. This sign means thank you. And this sign means when I use my finger, this means no. This means no. Okay, now can you repeat after me? Friend, friend, friend. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, no, no. Now turn your page. In this page, you will draw the body language. Okay? You will draw the body language. It's your homework KG. For example, number 1, I will draw happy. I will draw happy. Okay? You will draw here a happy face. Number 2, you will draw sad. Number 3, you will draw shy. Okay? Now, in this square, you will draw happy, sad, and shy. It's your homework. Now, turn your page. The same thing. Here, I will draw my friend twice. Number 1, a friend is happy. Okay, now you will draw here your friend when he is happy. Number 2, a friend is sad. Now you will draw. Okay, now you will draw your friend when he is happy and when he is sad. You will draw here. Now turn your page. Write the date. Here KG, if we want to solving problems with friends, what I can do? Now I have a big problem and I want to solve it. What I should do KG to solve my problem? Number 1, you should think well. Number 1, I should think well. I should think well in my problem. Okay, now write. Number 1, think well. Number 2, talk honestly. Talk honestly and listen. Talk honestly and listen. Number 3, solve the problem quietly. Solve the problem quietly. Okay, this KG, to solve my problem, I have 3 steps. Okay, I have 3 steps to solve any problem. Number 1, I should think well. Number 2, talk honestly and listen. Number 3, solve the problem quietly. Again, I have 3 steps to skip any problem, to solve any problem. Number 1, I should think well to my problem. Number 2, I should talk honestly. and listen. Number 3, solve the problem quietly. Okay, are you finished? Okay, now turn your page. It's your homework. Okay, you will draw here kg2B save online. You will draw anything you like to draw it when you be safe. For example, for me, I will draw when I use the scooter. Okay, when I use the scooter, I should use the helmet to protect my head. Okay, what about you? Now you will draw anything you want to draw it, but when we use it to be safe. Okay, now turn your page. Here we will circle the headline you would like to broadcast. Okay, look at the picture number 1. In this picture, KG, the students pick up plastic and save turtle. Okay, now look at well to the picture. Can you see this KG? Can you see this plastic? The students pick up the plastic. This is the plastic, okay, to protect the turtle, to make the turtle safe. Okay, number 2. Look at the picture number 2. Community cleans trash to protect the river. Okay, now can you see the trash? This is the trash. Okay, we should clean the trash from the river to be clean, because we can drink from the river. Number 3. Neighbors make what, KG? Neighbors plant a community garden. Okay, why? Because the plants, it's very important to environment. Okay, now we will make a circle to the headline we like to broadcast. For example, this picture, we will make a plants community garden. Okay, now turn your page. Friendship monument. Here we will draw a picture of the monument you want to make. For example, we can draw the pyramids. Okay, we can draw the pyramids. This is our monuments. Can you draw it? Now, are you finished? Okay, now this is the pyramids. Repeat after me. Pyramids. Now turn your page. This page, it's your homework. Okay, here you will draw a flag with your friend. You will draw any flag, okay, with your friend. The second picture, KG, you will draw here a good memory. You learned it. For example, if you learned how to make a kazoo, or how to make a drum, how to make a pencil case. Okay, now you can write here. For example, for me, I learned how to make a drum. I can use a stick, ballons, tube. Okay, what about for you? Now you will draw here. Okay, you will draw here what you learned and you write it here. Now the second page. This is a game. Okay, you will make the rules of the game. Okay, we will start from number 1 and we will end on number 20. Now you will draw the dog or cat, and you will use the dice. Okay, we will use the dice, and you will put the rules of the game. Okay, the last page, page 97, the last page. This is the friend. Think about what you have learned. Answer the question color in the number of stars that show you are a friend. Number 1, I have learned to be a good friend. Now you will color the stars. You will color the stars. Depend on you learned it. Number 1, if you have learned to be a good friend, now you will color the stars. Number 2, I know how to be a friend to others. If you know how to be a friend with others, now you will color the stars. Number 3, I know how to communicate with friends. If you learned it, you can color the stars. Okay? KG. Now we finished the Discover book. We finished the Discover book. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.